Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing yet another Temu unboxing, and this was one that was sent to me. I actually do have another one, kind of see it peeking out right here, and that is one that I bought myself, but that will be coming in a few days because I'm so excited about this purchase. So for this one, I really wanted to focus on kind of the beauty category, some of their nail care, their hair care, and I got so much stuff, y'all. So I will have my coupon code up here on the screen for you. If you have not tried Temu, this code will get you 30% off your first order, and everything that I'll be talking about will be linked down below as well. So let's go ahead and dive into it. We have 3 different big bags full of stuff to go through. Let's start with this one. Monkey has decided to join us today. My sweet baby girl. First, we have this, which I will put together, and this is basically just a little duster for the inside of your car to clean your front windshield. My windshield desperately needs this, so when I saw it on Temu, I immediately got it because, I mean, it's so cheap. Let me see if I can actually put this together, though. Oh, okay. Well, that was easier than I thought. So it looks like this, and then this part kind of bends up and down. Comes with this little microfiber cleaning cloth, and then it does also come with some little cleaning wipes, and you get 15 in here. So pretty good deal. These things can be really expensive, so I was pretty happy to find this on Temu. I also decided to get this little laundry bag. I thought this would be really nice to just keep all of my sports bras and bralettes that have removable pads in them, so that at least everything stays somewhat together while I'm washing them. So this is a pretty good size. Not sure exactly what the dimensions are, but very reasonably priced, and it's nice and pretty well padded. She's so cute. Zipper feels really nice too, so I'm pretty impressed by this. I might have to go order some more of these. Next, we have something in this box. I'm not sure what this is. It says acrylic lamp DIY. I do remember what this is. It comes with this little stand that you plug in. It's just an acrylic sign, and it comes with a white marker so you can leave a cute little message on there. I think this is super, super cute, and I'm excited to just leave this in probably my kitchen to leave cute little notes for my boyfriend. Then moving on to the beauty, the first thing I'm seeing is this pack of 4 hair clips here. We have this one, which is kind of like a braided twist, a tube, and then 2 little lines and one that's more curved than the other. These are really, really pretty. I've been really happy with all of the hair clips that I've gotten from Temu, and these are definitely no exception. So very happy for these. The springs are really nice, and I don't feel like they're gonna break in my hair. So that makes me super happy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is something I'm really excited to try out. It is a cordless automatic hair curler, and these are just so cool to me. Ooh, okay, so see everything that it comes with. So it comes in this little kind of velvety bag. This is the actual machine, and it's this really pretty like chromatic purple. That is so pretty. I don't think it actually comes charged. Oh, it does come charged. I'm kind of afraid. I might have to read some instructions on exactly how this works. Let's try this because I'm dying to know. We're gonna just try this and see how this goes. Very nervous, but I'm interested. So it says to kind of comb a section of your hair. Lay the section through the curling chamber, I think, like this. Oh, okay. I mean, it's warm. It's not the like most curled in the world. Why don't we try that again? Let's try that again. Like, I don't, it says something about a timer, but then there's no, I'm not noticing a timer. I'll have to mess around with it a little bit more, but I'm just gonna let it sit for a little longer. I feel like I look ridiculous. Guys, it totally worked. Like, I can't say this is exactly how I'd want my hair to curl, and it's not holding incredibly well, but that's also more my hair. Okay. I'll play around with it a little more. So far, I'm impressed. I'm just gonna have to figure out exactly how it works, because this is pretty cool. I'm gonna count that as a win so far, because, I mean, it worked. Like, it totally worked. Huh. This is something that is also not beauty related. It is a diamond painting kit, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay, so it is a wall art set. So the first one is the sun, and it looks like this. That's so incredibly pretty. And then the second one is the moon. These are beautiful. I'm really impressed with the quality of these. Okay, well, that's a win on my book. I have a bunch of fake nails, so we'll save those for the end. Ooh, okay, I have another hair clip, and this one is a butterfly with pearls. This is beautiful. Okay, I definitely felt like I was about to break it there, but now it feels totally fine. This is so pretty. I mean, obviously I wouldn't wear it like that, but that's pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I really like this. This is beautiful. And I think it came in a few other options that weren't just pearls. I think you could just get gold or a few other things. Then I got this necklace. This is what the necklace looks like. So it's a little moon, and then it has two little stars that dangle down. I have to say, quality on this one is not my favorite. Definitely does not feel to the same caliber of quality as the other jewelry pieces that I've gotten from Temu. So I'm not a huge fan of this one, but it's definitely pretty. It's just, I'd probably only wear it once, and I already feel like it's gonna tarnish. So not thrilled with this one. I also decided to get this necklace, and this is an angel number necklace. So I decided to get 444. Need it to just settle down a little bit. And I love that it actually has the symbolism of like what each of the angel numbers means. So 444 is protect the universe, and your spiritual guides are protecting you. Monk. Okay, whatever. So I'm really excited about this one. This one feels way nicer than the one that I was just showing. So I think this is going to be something that I wear all the time. This is seriously so pretty. I love this gold too. It actually looks like good quality. This dog, I swear to God. Come here. Why are you smelling the outlet, bro? What is wrong with you? Okay, I decided to pick up this, which is a little acrylic book holder. So as you're holding a book, which I don't think I have one near me, you use this and it holds both pages open for you. So you can just hold it with one hand. And honestly, I just thought it was really pretty. So this will hopefully inspire me to read more. And I saw this, and I've never seen anything like this. And so I needed to know if it worked. This is a pencil, but it's like a super fancy pencil somehow. So it essentially, it looks like this, and it comes with a cap, and then this is what the end of it looks like, and it has an eraser on the inside. So I'm not really sure how you use this. Oh my God, it works. It's just like a pencil. Yeah, I mean, you can barely tell because it's a pencil on a cardboard box, but it works. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then as far as the eraser goes, I'm not really sure why it's like inside. There's a little window to it. And then it does come with a bunch of extra little tips for you, as well as 3 additional erasers. Lastly, I got a lot of fake nails. I have been on a huge fake nail kick, as you definitely can't tell because I don't have them done, because I want to try some of these out. First, I got these, which are kind of a swirly print. I got these, which are this really fun kind of sky print with some stars. These, which are fun and kind of groovy. I think these might be some of my favorites. They are like black and white swirl, a plain mauve color, regular French tip, blue swirlies, plain white, these with cute little hearts on them, some plain gray, some purple with some flowers, and then my absolute favorites, which I'll take out of the plastic. You can see the little better. These are some French tips with little hearts. So I got so many things and I'm honestly so excited. So if you use any of these products and you have any tips, especially the hair curler, I want to know all about it. So let me know down below. And if you're interested in shopping anything, everything will be linked down below as well. If you haven't watched my other Temu videos, I will have them up in a playlist for you above. And stay tuned because I'm about to film another one right now. I really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!